Electric field is given by the vector E vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap is represented in the xy plane. A small ring carrying charge plus q, which can freely slide on smooth non-conducting rod, is projected along the rod from the point 0, L such that it can reach the other end of the rod. What is the minimum velocity it should be given to the ring? In order to find out the minimum velocity required, in order to find the minimum velocity required in order to cross the ring, we have to first find out the critical point. Now, what is the critical point over here? If I consider this line, this coordinate over here is equal to 0, L, and this coordinate is L, 0. Okay. So when the ring slides from, let us say, from this point, which is equal to, let me call this point as A, and it arrives at point B, there will be certain point at which we will get the, over here we will get certain minimum kinetic energy. Okay, minimum kinetic energy. Okay, if it crosses this certain point, let me call this is the O, that is origin. Let me call this point as C. Okay, let me call this point as C. If the ring crosses from A to C, then it will obviously go to the point B. Okay, now what does that mean is, before we find out what is the potential energy and everything, let us first find out the potential in the x and y direction. Okay, the potential due to the electric field in x and y direction. E vector is given as xi cap plus yj cap. So the electric field in the x direction will be equal to, the potential due to it will be equal to dv by dx. Okay, which will come out to be Ex is given as x is equal to dvx into dx. I will multiply over here. If I want to find out the potential, it will be equal to integration of this part. Integration of x will be equal to x square divided by 2. Okay, I will find out the value later. Okay, similarly, if I find out the voltage due to y, okay, due to the field in the y, it will be equal to y square divided by 2. I can say that the total voltage at any point will be equal to, since voltage is a scalar quantity, it will be equal to Vx plus Vy, which will be equal to x square by 2 plus y square by 2. Okay, let this be the equation number 1. Okay, we will use this later. Voltage at any point, it will be equal to x square by 2 plus y square divided by 2. Now, in order to find out the minimum voltage at any point, we need to differentiate with respect to x or with y. But first of all, we have to convert. There are two variables x and y. In order to find out the minimum or maximum, we have to convert it into certain. We have to convert x into y. Okay. Now, the equation of this line can be found out by using y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1, which will be equal to, over here, y2 minus y1 is equal to L minus 0 divided by 0 minus L is equal to y minus L divided by x minus 0. Okay. So when I cross multiply this part, this will be equal to minus 1 is equal to y minus L. So I can write minus 1 divided by x. So when I cross multiply, it will come out to be x plus y will be equal to L. Okay, x plus y is equal to L. This is the equation of the line. Now y can be written as L minus x. So let me substitute over here. Y can be written as L minus x. So basically it will be equal to x square plus y square. Y square is written as L minus x the whole square, and 2 is multiplied at this point. Okay, so 2v will be equal to, 2v over here will be equal to x square plus L square minus 2lx plus x square. Okay, which is equal to 2x square, okay, plus L square minus 2lx. Okay, is equal to 2v or v by 2. Okay, let this be as it is. In order to find out its minimum value, dv by dx should be equal to 0. That is the differentiation of this part, 2x square plus L square minus 2lx divided by 2 should be equal to 0. When I multiply 2 by 0, it will come out to be 0. The derivative of 2x square will be equal to 4x. The derivative of L square will be equal to 0 because it is a constant. Minus 2L is equal to 0. So x will come out to be L by 2. If x comes out to be L by 2, y will also come out to be, if x comes out to be L by 2, y also comes out to be L by 2. So now over here, let us first find out now the kinetic energy, the minimum kinetic energy that is given, that should be given at point A. Okay, I can say that the work done, now these are the critical points, the work done will be equal to change in or negative of the change in potential energy. That is, the work done will be equal to the change in kinetic energy. the change in kinetic energy, let us say that the kinetic energy at this point is equal to half mv square. Okay, that is the work done on the given body. I have to find out the work done or the kinetic energy or the minimum velocity given. Okay, and at the critical point, let us assume it almost comes at rest. Okay, it almost comes at rest. Okay, so now in this case, it can be written as negative of v2 minus v1 into the charge of the particle. Okay, the charge of the particle. Okay, which is now v2 and v1 are the voltages. Okay, v2 and v1 are the voltage. Now voltage at any point is given as voltage at any point, we have already written, it is equal to x square plus y square divided by 2. Okay, I can take x square plus y square divided by 2. So voltage at second point, that is at point C, at which I am getting the minimum at this point, whose coordinates are now found out to be L by 2 comma L by 2. It will be equal to, when I substitute the value, it will be equal to L square by 2, L square, it will be equal to minus L square by 2 the whole square, which is equal to L square by 4 divided by 2 is equal to L square by 8 plus L square by 8. This is the voltage at point 2 minus the voltage at point 1. At point 1 it is starting from point A. At point A, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to L. So at point A, x is equal to 0, y is equal to L. So it will be equal to L square by 2. Simply it will be equal to L square, okay, divided by 2, okay, into Q. Okay, it will be equal to half mv square. Okay, so half mv square will be equal to, this can be written as when I use the inverse, L square by 2 minus L square by 4 into Q. Okay, so basically it will be equal to half mv square will be equal to, it will be multiplied by 2, so it will be equal to L square divided by 4 into Q. So this will be multiplied by 2. So v square is equal to q L square divided by 2m. Okay, or v will be equal to root of q L square, it will be equal to root of q L square divided by 2m. This is the minimum velocity that should be given. Okay, this is the minimum velocity that should be given, q L square divided by 2m, the whole raised to half, which is equal to option number D.